Verse 14. Do everything without complaining or arguing.
Good morning. I would like to introduce to you a kid named Kipchumba, a typical Kenyan 11-year-old in Africa. Well, Kipchumba would have a lot to complain about. He would likely have a good hour's worth of chores right at dawn. Milk the cow, take the milk to the milk vendor at the main road, feed the chickens, and drink some hot tea and run to school, maybe a mile or more away to get there in time, usually 7:15 or so. They would go to school in the morning, run home, like literally run home for lunch, since lunch isn't served at school. For lunch, he might have a bowl of boiled beans and some corn mush. That is, if his house is less than 3 miles away. If it's more, then he will usually go without lunch. Then run back so he won't be late. The school punishes the tardies. That's either canes or paddles to the behind. Then go to class all afternoon, do after-school activities till 5. Then run home in time to do an hour of evening chores, like evening milking, running the cows in from the fields, or doing some hoeing in the garden. Then eat a supper of kinniget, which is actually just corn mush, at about 7 when the sun goes down. Then he'll spend an hour or two reading notes that he took in school. You see, the schools there don't have textbooks for each kid. The teacher has one textbook and she reads it out loud so that the kids can copy it down word for word. Reviewing his notes from the day is how he does homework. Since it's dark and he doesn't have electricity, he reads up close to a little kerosene lamp in his family's dimly lit hut. That was Monday. Tuesday and the rest of the week, he gets up and repeats the whole thing over again until the weekend. On the weekend, he spends all day with the cows in the field to give his parents a break. Now let's compare that to our schedule. We complain about getting up in the morning. We complain about what we have for breakfast. We complain about the clothes we wear. We complain about the music in the car on the way to school. We even complain about only having 2 options for lunch, and the list goes on and on. There are countless reasons for us to listen to this verse and be aware of our attitude when we complain and argue. First is, God told us not to. We cannot even begin to count all the many blessings He has given us. For us to thank Him by complaining and arguing is pretty silly if you think about it. The second reason is that we should all keep in mind is the impact we have on others when we complain or argue. God has blessed us more than we can even imagine. One of our goals should be to shine the light of the Lord on everyone we come in contact with. Now let me ask you, do you see God in someone that is complaining or arguing? I'm pretty sure the answer is no. As kids, there are many things that are out of our control. However, our attitudes are one thing that we can't control. I challenge each of us next time we catch ourselves complaining or arguing to take a second and realize how truly blessed we are and how silly we must sound complaining about whatever we're complaining about. Instead of complaining, let's take a second to thank God for all that we have. I'm pretty sure if he knew, Kipchumba would like to tell us the very same thing.